Welcome to my new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you a system that is changing people's lives. Let me ask you this question. Have you been struggling to make real commissions with Clickbank? How long have you been on Clickbank? How long have you been doing affiliate marketing and you have never made a single dime online? How many times have you been jumping from one product to another product to another product, hoping for that quick buck to come into your account, but it's never happened? Today is the day to change your life. That's right. If you take action and you're serious and you want to change your life and you want to make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month in affiliate commissions with one of the best network called Clickbank, then keep watching this video, because these type of opportunities do not come all the time. You have an opportunity today to change your life completely and take your internet business to the next level. Imagine making $10,000 a month every single month in affiliate commissions from Clickbank, from other networks, using one of the best traffic source, proven and tested. And I'm going to share this in this video, show you how to change your life and live the .com lifestyle where you can have time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. What am I talking about? Now, before I dive into this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button. It should be anywhere on this page below this video. Just click on that red subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment for me. So let's dive into this video. How do you go from $0 to $10,000 a month in real affiliate commissions promoting Clickbank offers on one of the best traffic source, and how to convert that traffic into real sales and how to constantly make that type of money? Today I'm going to reveal everything to you. Okay, so right now, as you could see here, by the way, all the links are going to be in the description box below this video, so you could check them out anytime you want. All right, so I'm on this page right down here. Okay, so I'm going to show you real proof, real result. Look at this. Okay, this is just 1 week ago. All right, this guy has started to promote Clickbank offers on this network, and he's starting to see real results, real net profitable commissions. Okay, if we keep on scrolling down, I'm going to show you some more. Okay, so here's another person, all right, who made $192.35 on November 23rd, 2022. Check this out. Okay, I'm going to show you some more results. All right, so if I scroll down, okay, let's just keep going. Check this one out. All right, this is passive income, my friend. Passive income, $200, $100. All right, and this is Clickbank commissions. By the way, if you don't know, Clickbank has a new platform to show the analytics and sales. So this is from the new platform. If I scroll down, I'm going to show you some more results. Check this out. Clickbank took a much needed of self-care break. Thanks goodness my passive income streams keep working. Clickbank love. Check this out. Real results. People are making real commissions, real money from Clickbank. Okay, again, it's the same person, so let's just keep scrolling down and let me show you some real results. Okay, so how are all these people making this type of money? All right, big question. A lot of people have this question: where are they getting the traffic from? What are the conversion rate? Where is the training product that you can learn to make this type of money as well? Check this out. All right, $160 in commissions. That same person who's repeating her screenshots over and over again. Okay, so she's getting great results from this. And check this out, this is another one. Okay, this is from the creator. Check this out, he's been using the same program, same system, and he's making all this money. All right, if I scroll down, okay, here's another person who just made $336 in a single day. Okay, and it just keeps climbing and climbing, right? So quick question, how are all these people make this type of money? All right, they're using a program, they're learning the method of driving traffic from one of the best networks called Google Ads, and they're learning how to convert that traffic into sale, and they're learning from a program that's created by a professional who's already making $20,000 a month in affiliate commissions. Now when you click the link in the description box below this video, you will come to this page or either this page here. All right, you could watch this complete webinar to learn what this is all about, or you will come either to this page here, which is the program that teaches you how to go from zero to $10,000 a month with affiliate commission, especially with Clickbank, okay, using this best of the best traffic source called Google. It's proven and it's tested. People are getting real results with this program, and it's changing people's lives. So when you come, you'll be able to watch this video. All right, you will able to watch this video. As you can see, this guy is just making $2,000, $3,000, $1,000, $1,000 every single week. You could scroll down and you could see some real proof from testimonials from other members as well. All right, and if you keep on scrolling down there, he's more proof as well. Look at this, $2,000 week, $1,000 week. Okay, and you could see this guy's making a lot of money and a lot of commissions as well. $401 in a single day. Okay, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see some real results, and what you're going to get with this program, you're going to also see that as well. You're going to see some more testimonials and more proof of people making money. Look at this, $2,000 week, $1,000 week, $1,000 week. Check this out, this is all coming from learning the methods from this one training program. If you've been on the fence and thinking, oh my world, I've been trying Clickbank for months and years, I have never made a single penny, this is your opportunity. This is an opportunity for you to change your life permanently. Now when you click the link in the description box below this video, you're going to come to this page here. All right, either to this page or to a page like this, okay, where you will able to read more about on how this can change your life and take you from $0 to $10,000 in affiliate commissions. Now let me quickly walk you through the program, because I have purchased the program myself, and I am convinced that it's one of the best programs out there that is changing people's lives. Okay, so it's not just about watching a video, it's all about watching a video and taking massive action. So let me walk you through the program and let me show you exactly what you're going to get. All right, so when you do decide to join this program to change your life permanently, you're going to come to a dashboard just like this. Okay, all right, so you're going to come to a dashboard like this. You're going to go to module 1 and it has everything. Check this out, all these things you will need: affiliate marketplace, creating a Google Ads account, selecting your first product, selecting your first product 2, selecting your product 3, selecting your domain. Then module 2 is all about, check this out, all this training step by step, teaching you everything. Go to module 3 and it teaches you, it just doesn't teach you how to make money with Clickbank, it teaches you how to make affiliate commissions with other affiliate marketplaces as well. So module 4, all right, you can see all this. This is a very powerful program. I'm very convinced that this program is a real life changer. All right, module 5, you can see all this. Module 6, this is all about physical products. Check this out, physical products and getting approved product, researching physical products. So if you're deciding to promote physical products, okay, now physical product platform could be like Amazon, all right, or other platforms, and you want to learn how to promote physical products, then this is going to teach you how to do that. All right. And it just doesn't cover all about Google Ads and how to drive quality amounts of traffic using Google Ads, but actually it also covers Microsoft ads, Bing ads, how to convert. So basically, you're going to learn in the first attempt, you're going to learn how to drive traffic using Google to Clickbank offers and how to convert that traffic into real sales and make $10,000 plus per month every single month in affiliate commissions. But then after that, it starts covering Microsoft ads as well. So how can you get your winner campaign? All right, so you have a campaign on Google. Can you create a similar campaign on Bing ads, Microsoft ads, and how to start getting real quality traffic from Bing ads and start making sales? So it's going to cover all of that as well. All right, and then you have SEO as well, how to get free traffic, how to use free traffic, search engine traffic, to start boosting sales. And then in the bonuses, you get access. Let me just click on the bonus and let me show you the bonus that you get access to. All right, you're going to get access to book a call with the creator of this program and ask him any questions you may have. Okay, and this creator is already making $20,000 a month in affiliate commissions. All right, using the same method that he's going to teach you in this program. In my opinion, it's one of the best programs out there. It's real program. It will help you avoid jumping from one product to another product, looking for that magic software where you're trying to make money online, but it's not just working. Okay, so joining this program is something that will help you become a professional in making affiliate commissions online, becoming a professional with Google ads and how to turn those Google ad campaigns into real Clickbank and affiliate commissions. Okay, and also becoming a professional in Bing ads, Microsoft ads. All right, so all the link is going to be in the description box below this video. Okay, and if you can't find the links in the description box below this video, then you could head over to this link here. I'm just going to type it in here. All right, so if you go to this link here, in fact, let me just put, so that is lukmanmemi.com/SAS affiliate. All right, so let me just put that big. If you go to this website here, all right, lukmanmemi.com/SAS, you will come to this page here, either this page or either this page. Watch the full training. If it's a webinar, watch the full webinar, all right, and then decide. Okay, or if you come to the sales page, just watch the video, go through the testimonials, and I highly recommend this product. It's one of the best products out there to make real affiliate commissions from Clickbank, and how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month in real affiliate commissions from Clickbank. Today is the day to change your life. If you've been jumping from one product to another product, thinking, how come it's not working for me? This is the real opportunity for you to change your life permanently. And guess what? Once you join the program, you're going to get real life support. That's right, support from the owners. So basically, you're going to join this Facebook group, and then you could ask questions on this Facebook group, and people are going to be there to help you break through and start making real affiliate commissions from Clickbank. Okay, so if you have questions, leave a comment for me. All the links are going to be in the description box below this video. For any reason, if you can't find a link for this program, then just head over to this website address and you will be able to actually watch the video, go through the program, and join this program to change your life permanently and start making real $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month in affiliate commissions online. All right, so if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment for me and let me know what you think about this video. See you in the next video.